All right, now this is just like the problem that we just finished. I think the easiest way to do this one is to identify the LCD for everything, and then you start clearing out the fractions. So what is the LCD for everything here?
21.
LCD is 21. Right? Because you have to include the 3 and the 7 in your common denominator. Now I'm just going to rewrite this a little bit to help us out. Okay. Let's see. So now I'm going to multiply everything times 21. So multiply times 21 for everybody here. Okay, now let's see what happens whenever I reduce this. 21 times 4 is just 21 times 4, so what is that?
84.
That's 84 minus what happens here.
12.
7 goes into 21 3 times, so you just get 12. If you are really using the LCD, all of those denominators should cancel. What about down here?
21.
3 goes into 21 7 times, so that's 7 minus what? 7 goes in here 3 times, so we get 3. So finish this. I mean, we got to be able to finish this. What's 84 minus 12?
72.
72 divided by 4 is what? I'll give you a hint. Or just 18, right? We don't want to leave it, our answer as 18 over 1 because that's not, it's not really done. Like if someone says, how old are you? I'm 18 over 1. Wow. So are there any questions about what I did for this problem?
They would.
So let's try another problem.
What's wrong with it?
This might be where you start to not like me as much. Let's see, how difficult do I want to get for you guys?
Build a confidence to tear them down.
That's what I do. It's like McDonald's. You build them up only to tear them down later.
We're holding my 42 over there.
How about x plus 8 over x squared?
Oh.
All over, excuse me, x minus 4 over x.
Common factor of x.
X squared.
Common factor of x? No. You can find the LCD. What's the LCD here?
X squared.
X squared.
The LCD is x squared. The only denominators you have are these guys right here. Okay. And x squared contains x, so that's going to be a common denominator for us. So I'm going to multiply everything times x squared, and let's see what happens. So let me rewrite this guy. Now we got to multiply everything times x squared. All right. So what do we have here in this numerator?
X cubed.
It's x to the third plus what?
8.
8x squared.
No, not 8x squared, because the x squared and the x squared
No, it's
reduce.
8x. No, it's just 8. Oh, no.
What's in the denominator?
X cubed.
X to the third.
Minus 4x.
Right, this one x cancels with one of those x's, so I just have 4x. I guess this is where I start to tear you down, right? What's going to happen here?
It cancels out, don't they?
What cancels out? The x cubes? Are they common factors?
Oh no.
No. But x to the third plus 8, I know what that guy is.
You got 3.
Isn't this guy x to the third plus 2 to the third? So this is the sum of cubes,
Oh, no.
which means this factor is as x plus 2, and the other factor is x squared minus 2x plus 4. Oh, you forgot your cube formulas. Oh, dear and me.
Use it. It'll store in backup memory.
Well, you better make sure you have access to that and you have the password. Oh, snap. No, he didn't. Now, when I look in the denominator, I look here and I see. Oh, good. You know what I see. What do I see?
Where did you get those voice
Oh
from?
my God.
There's a common factor of x, right? What are you left with?
Oh,
X squared minus 4.
Oh, yeah. How do you factor x squared minus 4?
X plus 2.
X plus 2, X minus 2.
X plus 2, x minus 2. You have everything factored, so what are you going to do?
Cancel.
Cancel. What do you mean cancel?
X plus 2 plus 2.
X plus 2's cancel, so the only thing I have left in the numerator is something that doesn't factor any further. X squared minus 2x plus 4 over, what about the denominator? It's not just x minus 2, but it's the factor of x and x minus 2. Maybe I should learn how to factor the sum of difference of cubes. We might have something like that. Any questions about this? Do you feel sufficiently deflated now?
Yeah.
Perfect.
You know,